In this video, I will be going over how to navigate the online library sources as well as how to get to the databases that you'll be using for research. In this guide, it shows you a step-by-step way of how to navigate to these websites and how to use these websites. There's also a way of how to get to the databases, as well as a quick link here that when you click it, it will bring you to the psychology page through the library website, which includes all of the databases that are used by the psych department for research. Otherwise, there's another way that you can do this. All these steps here that I just scrolled through are just how to get to the library website through the UW Super website. So once you're at uwsuper.edu, scroll down to the bottom and find library. Click on the library link. And then if you scroll down just a little bit further, there's this button here, and if you click it, it'll bring you to all the databases that are available through UWS. If you scroll down to this P button here, you'd want to click that, and it will take you to these three databases that are commonly used. PsycArticles is a database that provides full-text articles from journals published by the APA. It's a little bit limited because it only provides full-text articles that are available through that database. I prefer to use PsycInfo because it includes everything that's related to psychology. And it's not only just the full-text articles, although it does include them, it also includes full-text articles that are available through other databases and ones that you can request through Interlibrary Loan, which I will go over in a few videos. And then there's also PsycTest, which provides a multitude of different psychological tests that are used in experimenting and through research. So I'm just going to click into PsycInfo to get you a look at what it looks like when you first open it. There's a few search fields here and a way to refine your search, which I will go into more detail in a further video.